Oh yeah, my buddy John right there.
I'm ready.
Thank you. That's my buddy John right there. I've done a few demo days with him. Good guy. He just got himself a lowrider S. He's got a shovel head. He's got a Sportster, Street Glide Special. Got a lot of cool bikes. He is a cool dude. This one's got a different gauge setup than the one I just rode. Yeah, he's fun to ride with. Great personality. Look at him go. I mean, this thing wants to go when you pull back that throttle.
I just put it in sport mode. It wasn't in sport mode.
I know.
Did you got it in there?
No, I don't know.
Right here. Mode. Push it in.
Oh,
That's a big difference.
so he told me how to put it in sport mode, so here we go. Of course we're regulars here, so not really a big deal with it, because that last ride I did was just on the regular road mode. Oh God, I thought my throttle response was okay at regular mode. Oh, really brakes. Holy cow, you don't even need the brake in sport mode. want to go. It feels actually really stable at speed too. Man, this thing is just amazing. I mean, you get a lot. This is a lot of bike, I tell you that much. It's definitely not for beginners. I'm jumping up. Look at this, 70 miles an hour. It's like quarter throttle.
Ajá. Suenan los tambores.
Man, oh man, very rarely do I giggle like that, like a little kid. Man, this thing just pulls. It was pulling on this electric line like it was standing still. Two totally different purposes of bike, but still. Yeah, I'm real impressed with this bike. I mean, 30 grand's over my price tag for this bike, but I'm telling you, if it was priced like my Sport Glide, I don't know. Still can't beat that sound, that Harley sound, but these things freaking move. If I had enough money to get two bikes.
6.5 hours later.
I mean, I'm not even braking. Crazy thing is there's no noise, like I said in the other video. There's no heat at all. You know, anybody that's ridden a Harley before knows you're gonna have heat between your legs, especially at a stoplight. This thing does not make a noise, it does not make any heat. It moves. So John,
Yes, sir.
you gonna pick one up, right?
Yeah, I hear you. 20 grand.
Go ahead.
20 grand. How about that find all new friends, too?
Yeah, exactly. That'll keep up.
Golly.
Unreal.
I start reaching for my wallet, knock me in the head.
I got you.
One eternity later.
Right? You said exactly what I said. You can hear the road, you can't hear the bike. Oh man, sorry I'm all giddy and laughy and stuff. Oh, I'm not even sorry. This is fun. This is a fun bike. If I won the lottery, yeah, definitely buy this bike, but never gonna replace my
Super loud.
right?
Wake you up, man.
You hear the road, you don't hear the bike.
Man, it's unreal. Right when you hit that back there.
Yeah. That was a rear tire letting loose. God, instant torque. Anyways, that's a ride. Well, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and there'll be more content. Ah, man.
Give me your phone. Can we take a picture of you?
Oh, yeah.
You want a picture of you on it?
Yeah.
Put the camera on it. You want a side? You want a portrait view or up and down?
Portrait like that.
Okay. Which one you touch? Here we go. Hello. Anybody home?